This automation program is easy to use and simple to set up. To get it working, you'll just need to create a group, a bot, and one account for the automation. The group acts as a control center where you prepare messages to be forwarded and issue commands. The bot's job is to help with commands by showing a button interface, so you don't need to write the commands manually. In this example, I'll be using my secondary account. You can also use your main account if you want, but I still recommend not using it. The reason is that there is still a chance your account could get banned. However, do not use a new Telegram account, like one you just created 3 days ago, as it is likely to get banned easily. Instead, use an account that you've had for a while. In Telegram, a message with multiple images is called an album. This auto-forward program categorizes messages into 2 types: text messages and album messages. A text message includes text or a single image, while an album message has multiple images. There are slight differences in how we'll forward these 2 types of messages. Now, let's look at the buttons available. The first one is Add Text Message, used to input text message data. We have 5 buttons, each with green and red emojis. The buttons with green emojis are used to start forwarding the message, while the red emojis are used to stop the forwarding loop. In this demonstration, I've set the message limit to 5, so you can forward up to 5 different text messages at the same time. However, this limit doesn't stop you from forwarding to as many groups as you want. To forward a text message, start by writing the message you want to forward. You can pin the message if you want for easy access. Then click on the text messages and add text message buttons. You'll need to enter some details here. First, input the destination group IDs. In this example, we'll forward the message to group 1. Next, input the message ID. To get the message ID, copy the message link and extract the numbers following the group's username. Set the schedule and delay. Schedule determines when the message will first be forwarded, and delay sets the time between subsequent forwards. For example, entering 10:65 means the message will be forwarded after a 10-second delay initially, and then every 1 minute and 5 seconds after that. Also, check if the group has slow mode enabled. If so, make sure not to input a delay lower than the slow mode delay time. Now we have added 1 text message. Before forwarding the message, make sure the automated account has joined the destination group. Check the message's details by clicking the Show Message Data button. Ensure the group ID is correct and the chat ID refers to the correct message. If everything is correct, we can start forwarding the message by clicking on the button with the green emoji corresponding to the text message. You can also see which message is being forwarded by clicking on the Status or Forwarding Status button. To stop the forwarding process, click on the text message button with the red emoji. To forward an album message, write the album message you want to forward. This time, the automated account will respond to it and prompt you to enter the necessary details directly. Okay, let's forward the message to Group 2 and Group 3. Enter the group IDs, schedule, and delay values. Click on the Album Messages button. Before forwarding the message, again, make sure the automated account has joined the destination groups. Double-check the message details to make sure everything is correct. You can simply leave the program running. No need to stay online or keep the Telegram app open. The automation handles everything for you. Using this auto-forward program can be a huge time saver, especially if you need to manage multiple messages across different groups. For example, if you're a promoter, you can easily spread the word about your product across various groups without manual effort. This can help you reach a larger audience more efficiently. Focus on what truly matters while the program does the heavy lifting for you.